What's going on, family? It's your man DeAndre Saxon back for another video. And in this topic, we're going to be going over the reasons you will fail in affiliate marketing without understanding these 5 principles. If you're watching me for the first time, I've earned over $1.5 million in business over the last couple of years. And now I'm teaching some good affiliate marketing content here on my YouTube channel, all completely for free. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop straight into it. I've organized these principles, which I teach to my distributors all for free inside of our community. So without further ado, let's talk about principle number 1. The first one is mindset. So guys, you know I come from a mindset background. That was my first successful 7-figure business, was understanding mindset. Without this first principle, you will not be able to succeed in affiliate marketing. Now, before you click off thinking, oh, I need another strategy, let me find another website, another traffic method, that's not what you need to succeed in anything. What, and I talked about this in the video a couple, was it the 3 things that helped me earn over $1.5 million in my 20s? Guys, we have something called a self-image. A self-image is how we see ourselves. If you never see yourself as a millionaire or somebody earning 10K a month, I don't care how hard that you work, nothing will ever work for you. You can watch another YouTube video. You've probably already been watching YouTube videos, trying to find courses, trying to find the information on how to make $10,000 a month online in affiliate marketing. But let me tell you this, and this will sum everything up for you. This is how I went from 0 to 100 grand a month in my own business in less than 60 days. It's not tactics. It's not information that you need to shift. What you need to shift is something called your subconscious mind. And I have a whole 40-minute video on how to do that, so make sure you check that out. But in summation, you have to become the person who is worthy of earning that income that you desire. It's most importantly, who do you need to become? What are the habits that you need? How do you show up? How do you see yourself? What is the energy that you have when you're showing up to start this affiliate marketing business? So that's the first one and the most important one. I have a whole 40-minute on that, a whole 40-minute video on that. So go ahead and check out that video. Second principle is offer and messaging. So now we got done with the spiritual part of it, which is the mindset. Now let's start to get into some tactics here. And that's, what is your offer and messaging? Guys, to understand how to get rich, you have to understand what money is, especially what sales are. The first step to getting rich is you have to understand sales and how money actually works. So what is money? What is wealth? It is the transfer of value. So if you want to get paid a lot of money, that means you have to solve a lot of problems. People exchange money for getting their problems solved, and we get paid in the value we add to the marketplace. And in other words, we get paid into the value or direct proportion of what problems that you're solving. If you're struggling right now in business, if you're struggling trying to save up some money, if you're struggling trying to hit your first 6 figures or 7 figures in business, what you're struggling with is you're not solving problems. You're probably trying to do surveys or little BS websites. You got to solve a problem for somebody. And when you understand deeply what problem you're solving for your customer and you provide a solution for that, they will pay you for that. And that is called value. And that's how you get paid. Stop trying to do gimmicky things. Stop trying to do surveys. Stop trying to do no work. That's not how you're going to get rich. You have to get that out of your mindset. Remember, I was talking about mindset as step number 1. In order to be successful, you have to understand who you're talking to. What are they buying from you? So what are they actually exchanging money for? And what problem are you solving? Without understanding that, you might as well just quit business and go back to your job, or just, continue to struggle for the next couple of years. I struggled for many years because I didn't understand this principle here. You have to understand, for example, in this video here, I opened it up talking specifically to affiliate marketers. So I guarantee probably 80% of you watching this video right now are an affiliate marketer. Why? Because I know exactly who I'm talking to, and I know what your problems are, or at least to a degree. I understand that you're struggling probably with traffic. You're probably struggling to get to your first, 10K a month. Maybe you're stuck between 37K a month in your own personal, your job or whatever you're doing, and you're looking to get to the next level. Well, why? Because I've studied these things. So when I create content, when I have a funnel, when I have this content, I understand at a deeper level my customer. So when I could provide a solution for it, there's less friction. So if you want to fail, literally, yeah. So if you want to fail in affiliate marketing, make sure you don't do this step right here, which is not understanding rather, who you're talking to, what is it that you're actually exchanging money for, and what problem are you solving? So let's move over to step number 3. now, which is marketing. So what is marketing? Marketing is actually attracting and nurturing your ideal customers into your ecosystem. Now, that's where your funnels come into play. That's where your content comes into play. That's where your email list, your websites, all that kind of technical stuff, guys. That's only 5% of your results because trust me, guys, I literally went 0 to 100K a month when I understand this little principle. It's not the tactic, it's not the funnel, it's not the ad. It comes down to your messaging. How are you conveying what you're selling? How are you conveying it in your funnel, on your landing page, in your content, and whatever it is that you're selling? What problem are you solving? And how are you going to solve it? And when you can match those two together, you're going to become rich. So that's when the marketing comes into play. It's like putting a igniter fluid on a fire. When you put a really good product and you understand your customer and you understand what problem you're solving, then you put the funnel, then you put the email sequence or whatever marketing strategy that you have. And I teach all of that here on my YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe. That's when things are going to explode for you. But for many of you watching this right now, you might be focusing on just the traffic method or the website or a new model or a new something outside of you, but that's not the issue. If you figure out what we just talked about in step number 2, step number 3 is the easiest part, guys. I didn't even let me tell you this. When I earned my first 7 figures, all I had was one Stripe account to collect cash. I had one Calendly link. I had one little on the Calendly link. I had an application, and then I had a sales script, and that was it. And I literally scaled to 6 figures a month, 200K a month. Well, literally because my marketing, it didn't matter about that. It mattered about what problem was I solving and how did I convey that to my customer. But I digress. When it comes to the marketing side, this is what we're doing to get our messaging out there. What you're selling in affiliate marketing. I don't care if you're selling a freaking widget on Amazon or you're selling Go High Level or my software here with Instagram growth, whatever it is, you have to understand what you're putting out. Hey, here's the problems that you guys are having. Here's my ideal customer. Look at the problems. And if this is what you're dealing with, come find me, click the link in my bio, and then go so on and so forth. That's how this works. So it's a marketing method once you've nailed down your messaging and your offer. Now, fourth thing is sales. Now, sales is a little bit different from marketing. Sales is how you actually collect the cash. That's the cash going into your bank account. That's the people actually going and purchasing through your affiliate link or whatever it is that you're offering, and that's actually collecting the cash. Because at the end of the day, probably a lot of you are marketing. You're putting out content. You are doing email lists. You're building websites. You're trying to find a new product to sell through affiliate marketing. You're doing all this work, but you're getting no sales, right? You're doing a lot of marketing, but you're not getting a lot of sales. And collecting that cash is the difference between an affiliate marketer who's stuck under 10K a month and those that are making 10K a week or more. It comes down to how are you collecting your cash. But guys, this is an end result. And I talked about this back in the mindset training I did. A lot of you are trying to collect more cash. You're trying to get a better end result, which is making a certain income per month, getting more sales, having time, location freedom. That's an end result. The cash is easy. Like I'm making money here as I'm making this video. I make money every single day. But that's because I did the work prior to this. And every affiliate marketer, every guru on YouTube, they're going to sell you a dream of, oh, no work and all this kind of stuff. Guess why? Because they make money when you click the links. You are literally the product, or they're trying to sell you a course. You are the product. And when you realize that, now you're going to start saying, you know what? It's time for me to take responsibility for myself. And I actually need to work. You don't have to work a lot. You're probably working harder at your job. You're probably working harder than me, but you have to work more in your mind. Then start to put the research in to understand this. So the cash collected is easy, guys. Like all I have to do is make a couple YouTube videos here and there, and I just make money. I have clients coming in from Instagram, from here, from there, because the collecting of the cash is an end result of what we did in step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4. Now, the 5th step here is automations, right? When I first started in affiliate marketing, I was doing a lot of work. And by the way, I've only been doing this for like 30 days and I scaled it to 10K a week, but I have success in business already. So I'm not new to this stuff, but I was doing a lot of work, manually DMing people, getting people on free trials of the software, doing all this work. And then I started realizing that I needed to add another pillar to my program and how I'm running my business. And that is automations. How can I build systems so that I can have time and location freedom? Because I don't want to be DMing people all day just for a free trial. I want to build systems like funnels and all that kind of marketing stuff. That way I can have my time back. Guys, when I was running a 7-figure business, back when I was doing coaching, I would like I was self-employed, so I still had to do coaching calls. But guys, when you have the ability to have time and location freedom, so I can be in Medellin, Colombia, when I can go to Dubai and I have to do all this work, is because you have operations and acquisition systems, not only for your customers, but to collect cash so that you can actually scale. Because you want to scale, right? Do you want to be stuck at 5K a month, 10K a month, or do you want to hit 100K a month? Now, I don't know what your goal is. I'm just showing you the vision here that in order to get to the next level, you will have to build some type of automation systems so that you can scale. Now, luckily, I build that directly for my customers in the distributor program. As you guys know, I have an Instagram growth software that a lot of people are having success scaling and starting in software affiliate marketing. And they join my program, and I teach and I give them the systems on how to do everything. And guys, if you want to learn more about that, you can obviously click the link in the description below. But if you guys, this is just literally teaching you guys how to get to the next level in affiliate marketing. You don't need to buy anything from me. Just go out there and scale your affiliate marketing business. Or if you go in the link in the description below, you can sell the same product that I sell, which is an Instagram growth software. Or if you want to take this to the next level and you want to have coaching from me, you want to have these same systems, you want to have a step-by-step proven system so that you can hit 10K a month, then you'll also hit that link in the description below. Go check out my affiliate marketing business program, and we could talk more about that and scale you to the next level. So without further ado, guys, this is DeAndre signing out. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.